Hey guys, my name's Septimeglu and I'm the Microsoft Senior Student Partner for Pace University in downtown Manhattan. Today I will be showing you guys how to make an online resume portfolio from start to finish using WordPress and Azure. I know, right? Crazy. So let's just jump right into it. The first step is going to be to head on over to portal.azure.com and log in. I'm actually going to be using my friend's profile because I already have a finished portfolio on my Azure. But I want to show you guys how to do it too, so here we go. You're going to go and click on New. You're going to type in WordPress. You're going to click on WordPress. And we're going to go to Create. It's going to ask you for a name. What do you want to name it? I'll name it jtep.azurewebsites.com. And we'll just make a new default East US. Default 22. Default 2. Perfect. Web options. Nah, we don't need any of that. Just go to create. And let's wait for it to go. We don't need this. That was a failed attempt. That's what that was. And we don't need to worry about that. We just need to worry about this. It's taking a little time. Can you hear the clock tick? We lost an hour today. It was a good hour. Valiant hour. Fought bravely in the war on time. Time Wars. It's okay, we can use this to think about all the skills you're going to put on your resume, like that time you made that rainbow vegan galaxy ice cream from the Pinterest tutorial, and it just turned out so beautiful. And it made you want to cry. Tears of joy over the fact that you were just so small in the grand scheme of things while looking deeply into your vegan galaxy ice cream. Thinking about what we are. What's our purpose, you know? I get that. Got real. And other skills like, we're done, here we go. So the first step is going to actually be to go ahead and, no doubt of it, click on this link, and it's going to hopefully direct us to somewhere we want to be, like a page that lets us choose our language. And that's what it is. That's our page that we want to be on. Information needed. Let's call this Jacqueline Tepedino, because that's her name. JTEP. That's a secure password. We'll keep it. I'll send this to her pace email 95n@pace.edu. Let's discourage indexing. Remember that password because I didn't even take a picture. of it. It's lovely. Remember your password. It's a good tip for you all. Perfect. Excuse me? Don't tell me that. Oh, perfect. So here it is. This is the WordPress dashboard. It has all of the things that you're going to need to make, like your posts, your media that you have, the pages you have, your comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, etc. Just for a general overview, let's go ahead and look at what the website looks like right now. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit it or delete it. We're gonna delete it. Then start writing. So I don't personally like this template. It looks like a WordPress template that has no effort in it at all. So what I'm going to do is bring y'all on over to the themes template, and we're gonna click add new, and the template that I think we should work off of is this one, because I think it's nice, and that's the only reason why. And we're going to hit install on that. While that's doing that, we can, oh, never mind. We're gonna activate it, and then we can go and look at it. Let's go look. How does it look? Lovely. There's this tab and your post, and that's great. There's all this junk on the bottom, so step one is going to be to get rid of that. In order to do so, we will have to go to widgets, and bottom widget area, as it is titled right here, we want to delete all of the things on here. Delete them, delete them, delete, delete, delete. Look, all of that deleted. Now let's go check back in. Looks better already. Hello world. Hello to you too. So the pages that we're going to do today are just really simple, and I want to have a contact page. And we'll go back and do it afterward. I want to have a portfolio page where we're going to post all of the things that you do with your life, because it's many, because you matter. And a resume. Well, let's make it the fancy resume. I like to call it resume when I say that in my head. Yep. So let's start off with the contact page. And to keep everything even more simple, I think we should just go and install a plugin. And the plugin's name is Contact Form 7. Look, 1 million plus active installs. It must be good. Must be. Let's install that. And if we're lucky, there will be a bar on the left-hand side when we hit activate. We are lucky. It's our lucky day. So contact form 1. Let's see what it's about. So WordPress uses these things called shortcodes. So if we want to copy whatever this is showing, we will copy this code and go and insert it into our contact page tab that we made earlier. And we will hit update. So now when we go and finally look back to our website, we're going to have like 4 tabs and a contact page. So this is your hello world, and these are the tabs we made. So contact should now have, whoa, it has it. Name, my name is Sep. My email, hi at sepd.nyc. My subject, hello, ma'am. I did it. Please try again later. We'll have to figure that out later then. No, we won't be. So that's lovely. Contact page is up. I'm not sure why it's not sending right now, but it's probably because I didn't say what email to send it to because I forgot. Oh. So we're going to go back to the email tab, and here it is. Contact forms. Oh. Validate your contact forms now. Validate contact form. There, that was the issue. All right, so next, so where are we right now? We are at contact, contacts filled in. What's the next one? Portfolio. That's not filled in. What's the next one? Resume. Also not filled in. But that's okay. We're doing well. We're gonna go ahead and put in a new plugin for a resume. And the name of that plugin is Resume Builder. This is the one that I actually use on my personal portfolio website. And I like it, so we're going to use it again. 5,000 plus active installs. 5 stars. Must be good. I think it looks nice, so we're going to use it. And if we're lucky again, there is a resume tab. Whoa. Let's add a new one. Whoa. My title. Oh. Jacqueline tab. Just make it Jack tab. Love that. Resume Builder. So we are going to have a contact info title. Artist. The email is the one that we did before. I can't quite remember. Let's hoping she doesn't have a middle name. We don't need to put her phone number. Her website will be this. jtap.azurewebsites.net. Address doesn't quite matter. Skills title. Skills. Let's add a skill. Illustrator. She's an illustrator. And she's probably a 5-star at that. I like to not add a description because we get it. Adobe Flash. Another 5-star. Of course, for anyone else that isn't an artist, you can put all of your skills in this section. Adobe Photoshop, perhaps? Another 5. We'll just do 3 there. And that's how that'll show up. On top of that, you can add a resume section. You can have an introduction block, and it'll say something like, I don't know. Your name. Aspiring artist of the stars. You could put a picture of your face. I don't have one of her face, so I'm not going to. You could have buttons too, like Facebook, and have facebook.com, etc. Introduction text. I don't know. Whatever you'd like. Let's just look at a preview of what it's looking like right now. That's our button. Aspiring artist with stars. Skills are down here. So if you go ahead and you start adding a section, your default block would be like experience, and your subsection would be like title, Pace University, art director, something lovely like that. And there it is. You'll have stuff like that, and you could have like another subsection that says what you do for the job, and like if you wanted to make this bold, you would add a subsection underneath that. So row title is Pace University, subtitle is art director, and then you would have like manage all of the wannabe me's and try to have them get on my level. I don't know, whatever you'd like. It's your resume. Make it you. Look at that. Pace University Art Director. XYZ, you have your contact, your website, your skills, social media buttons, name, and you would even have a picture if I had a picture. And we'll just put one for the heck of it. We'll go to my things and we will put this one. This is nothing at all what she looks like, but it's a girl that I have illustrated and it'll serve just fine for the example. And there it is. And I think that looks lovely. And that's what we'll have. So now let's head on over back, hit publish, head on over back to our portfolio tab. Oh god, not portfolio, resume. Oh, nothing's there. Wanna know why? Because we didn't copy the shortcode that I was talking so highly of before. I'm a hypocrite, I get it. Resume, click on edit, and we're going to paste that in and hit update, and then refresh. Look at that, it's there. To get the skills bar, we're gonna need another widget that we can talk about later after we go ahead and do the portfolio itself. So here we go. We're gonna add some media to the page. Gonna add new. I'm gonna select them. Let's go back from here and let's go to animals. And we'll add these lovely animals that I illustrated. And this is what we will put on our portfolio page. Portfolio, here it is. We're gonna add media. Let's add all these animals. Let's add them all. Oh. Hold down shift. That's the button we want to do. And did I do it? Oh, it did. And let's set one as the featured image. This one, because I like that one a lot. And here we go. So now we're going to go over and customize the theme itself to just get some layout in order. And we're going to have your site identity where it's your name, and you could say artist, for example, and your logo image, if you want to add a logo, and your site icon would be the thing that pops up in this corner right here. So we can set it to this just because that's the generic one that I have. And there it is up there. It looks great. Colors, background image. You can change the color. Background image, pretty cut and dry. I'm going to leave it white because I think it looks nice and clean that way. Static front page is whether you want it to be your latest post. I like it to be a static page, and I like that page to be the portfolio page, because when I click on someone's portfolio, you know what I want to see? Their portfolio. So the more posts you make, the more of these big pictures will come up, or you could not set a featured image and it'll just be a portfolio of all of your other projects. So if you're a developer, for example, you could have screenshots of applications you worked on or something like that. And then when you go and click on the image itself, it'll bring you to another page that will have like a link to the GitHub or some more screenshots or a description of the project, something like that. So I'm going to save it like that. So now we have our contact, our portfolio, our resume, and this sample page is still here because why not? Maybe you want to turn this into an about section and put I hope I saved that. About, and then say Hey guys, my name is Tapatino, and I'm awesome. Here are some reasons why. Whatever you want. Why not have a text section? And there you have it. I think if we go and click on the dashboard, not the dashboard, our website, we open up to this portfolio page that has things. If you go on further, if you wanted to customize your appearance further, there's actually a few settings that let you have the pictures interactive. That's the word I was looking for. And you could show your social media icons and things like that. The effects, that's what it was. Hover effect on photo. So if I went down, I would be able to hover and things like that. There's a few other features, all pretty cut and dry. But other than that, there is how to jtap.azurewebsites.net. And if we want, we can open a new private window and go to it without being logged in and see what it looks like there. I think it looks great. Here it is, contact, an about page, and a resume with a link to Facebook. That was, it's because I didn't put the proper Facebook link. But if you did it right, it would work. And that's all. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. You can go over to my website, septi.nyc, and use my contact page over there. That works. Or you can hit me up on my sep.demeglio@studentpartner.com email, or message me on Facebook. I'm easy. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye!